What's up, Slay Squad? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the Slay Squad because we be slaying over here, period. So, y'all, I'm about to recreate this wig that I end up getting from Unice hair. So, I'm going to take some Adore color and just add it to the blonde parts of the hair, which really helped me out. The fact that it was already colored for me was dope. So I'm just gonna add some green hair color to the blonde parts of the hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and condition the hair. You do not want to shampoo the hair because it's just gonna remove the color, so you just want to condition the hair afterwards. So I'm going to use this Wig Shine, and this is a great product. So you want to make sure you get your hands on this for your wigs. And I end up getting this from my local beauty supply store. So I'm going to use that to make sure my hair is bone straight. So you want to get a rat tail comb, and you want to comb the hair out, make sure there's no tangles in the hair, and then you want to put the comb underneath the flat iron and just slowly drag the flat iron down. As you can see here, that is how you get your wigs bone straight. Make sure you get that wig shine and make sure that your flat iron is on 400 degrees, and that's how you're going to get your wigs bone straight.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. Wanna be down with what you go. Wanna be down. I wanna be down. You wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be down.
So before I apply my wig, I'm going to go ahead and clean off my forehead with some alcohol. And then I'm going to take some Got To Be Glued spray, and I'm just going to spray my cap. And again, this wig is a lace closure, so I'm only spraying this part. And then I'm going to make sure it's dry. So once it's dry, I'm just going to cut off the excess cap.
Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. And a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. That make ease out.
So now I'm going to take this cream powder foundation and I'm going to use this to blend the cap in with my skin. And I got this cream foundation from Ulta. So go ahead and get you some. So then I'm going to take my lace glue and I'm just going to apply that to my forehead. And then I'm going to blow dry that until it's clear. And that's how you know when it's dry and ready to lay down your wig. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my elastic band and go ahead and tie that down so that the lace is melted into that lace glue.
All right, y'all, this is the finished look. I slayed my hair, period, per usual. Like, stop playing with me. Yes, I'm about to start doing wig installs and lace closures and frontal sew-ins. So yes, because I just be killing the game now. Like, stop playing with me. My wigs be slayed. So yeah, I'm about to get back into doing hair. So if you want your hair done, let me know in the comments or send me a message on Facebook. Just reach out to me and let me know because period, I be slaying. Like, stop playing with me. Yes. So yeah, it's easier for me to like blow dry and style my wigs on my mannequin head. So if you're doing your own hair, make sure you get you a mannequin head so that you can flat iron and prep everything and prep your wig before you install it. So when you install it, like so when it's time to install, you just put the wig on and then do your baby hairs. I did do my baby hairs off camera, but my previous video on how to install your wig like a pro, I did do my baby hairs in that video, so make sure you check that one out. But yeah, I love this green hair. I am manifesting wealth and lots of money, abundance, and I'm just feeling this green vibe. So yeah, y'all, that's pretty much the end of this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.